Aurora, come here. Come here. Show everybody your necklace. See, it's a pretty necklace. She said, I hate it. Come here.
Oh, she's chewing on them now.
Oh, did you get them? Drop it. Yay!
Well, can't get the other one loose.
Look at your pretty necklace with the bow. Yeah, poor baby. What's wrong, poor baby? Watch out. Aurora, come here. Come here. Come here. Sit. Hey. Sit. Sit, sit, sit. Do you not like your necklace? Huh? You fell over. Poor baby.